Let's discuss how to document a verbal termination. I have a Reddit account and I received a direct question from a follower. What would you suggest for the following scenario? Before COVID, I was unhappy with one of my employees. I didn't officially fire her, rather told her we were making some changes due to COVID. She was fine with it and indicated she had taken a babysitting job that would have conflicted with her regular hours. All of this was in a phone call. I hired another employee for her hours. Do I need to document this any more than I have in this message? Thanks. As your business operations consultant, I would highly advise, yes, you would document this verbal termination. Based on what I've read, the employee, in effect, terminated her employment with this employer. Well, Nina, how do you document this verbally? Let's start with the following. I hope that when the employee was hired in your application process, you asked for and got that employee's personal email address. So what you're going to do, number one, you're going to send a confirmation email to that employee based on what was discussed in the phone call. You acknowledged the voicemail. Hi, employee X, I received your voicemail stating that you accepted another position and you won't be coming back to the company. I would verbatim list everything that was said in the conversation. Also, I would confirm that that employee accepted another job somewhere else, and due to the conflicting hours, she would not be returning to your company. I would also allow for some sort of rebuttal. I would end the email by stating, if this is wrong, if this is incorrect in any way, please send me an email to let me know. If you really want to be a stickler, you can also take that voicemail that the employee left, hit play, and record it on your computer. Your computer has a microphone and every computer comes with some type of recording program. You can record the voicemail, save it in a digital file under the employee's name. Finally, you can even go above and beyond and have a witness who can listen to the voicemail and yes, this person did in effect quit her job and sign off on it. Now, why do you want to go through all of this effort? You want to do that, especially now with PPP loans and the need to verify that employees have quit their jobs and accepted other ones. To get loan forgiveness, you need to document proof that this person did in fact leave, and they can't go and file unemployment stating that due to COVID, they lost their job. And this is a process that I would advise your business adapt in case of any type of verbal agreement between you and an employee. This can be used when an employee requests a temporary change in hours. It could be used when an employee is working from home and you want to confirm what job duties they would be doing at home. All kinds of scenarios. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. You can follow me on Reddit. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks for watching.